Hello everyone, Namaste. My name is Gargi and welcome back to my channel Nerdy Introvert. To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee. Mockingbird basically is a metaphor for innocence, which means to kill innocence or to destroy innocence. It was an immediate bestseller and it also won the Pulitzer Prize. Many of Harper Lee's life experiences appears in the novel. हार्पर ली के दो नॉवेल्स हैं, टू किल अ मॉकिंगबर्ड एंड गो सेट अ वॉचमैन. गो सेट अ वॉचमैन इज अ सीक्वल टू दिस नॉवल. It was actually written before To Kill a Mockingbird. It was published in 2015 because of some problems. To Kill a Mockingbird is a must read for everyone. Actually ये book मेरे पास एक साल से है, but I'm glad that after several failed attempts I finally completed this book. So talking about the book. This book will introduce you to a much more real, bigger world, actually a bit more cruel world. तो book के बारे में समझने से पहले हमें book read करना है. And by some book titles, we don't understand what the story is. Okay, right? For example, ये book, To Kill a Mockingbird. अब जब मैंने ये first book देखा, I was like, I don't know what the story is and like whether I should read it or not. So for that, end में कवर पेज में बेसिकली एक शॉर्ट क्विक समरी और सम लाइनर्स होते हैं जो आपको एक आइडिया दे सकते हैं कि बुक में क्या है, एंड देन यू कैन गेट स्टार्टेड विद द बुक. सो द स्टोरी इज टोल्ड फ्रॉम अ 6-year-old स्काउट फिंच पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. सो सॉरी अगर मैं थोड़ा ऐसे फंबल हो रही हूँ, बिकॉज आई एक्चुअली प्रैक्टिस अ लॉट टू स्पीक इन फ्रंट ऑफ कैमरा एंड दैट इज वाई आई एक्चुअली मेक दिस शॉर्ट पेज मैं लिख के रखती हूँ ये, सो दैट आई डोंट फॉरगेट, बिकॉज वेन एवर आई फेस द कैमरा आई एम ऑल ब्लैंक. बुक वॉज But coming back to the topic, I'll just refer to it what I was talking about actually. Yeah, so ये जो story है वो 6-year-old scout Finch point of view बताई गई है. But इसके जो languages है, it is not restricted to 6-year-old because this book is written by adult scout looking as if she is looking back and recreating her events of her childhood. So अगर आपको इसमें लैंग्वेजेस थोड़े डिफिकल्ट लग रहे हैं तो इट्स ओके, आई गेस यू गाइस विल अंडरस्टैंड. हैविंग सेड दैट, स्काउट एंड हर ब्रदर जेम फिंच is brought up by their father Atticus Finch, the lawyer who is defending the case of a black man, and that is what the novel is about. It's about racism, it's about the loss of innocence. As he defends the case, Atticus Finch gives some advice to his children. And one of the important message from the book is we will understand other people if we climb into their skin or walk into their shoes. और हमें ये बात बुक में देखने मिलती है जब स्काउट फिंच अंडरस्टैंड्स बू रैडली, जब स्काउट फिंच इज इन बू रैडली's shoes. So Boo Radley is basically a character in the book जो Scout Finch and Jem Finch say like they haven't seen Boo Radley and like they have this scary imaginations in their head कि वो कैसा होगा, कैसा दिखता है and all of that. But it finally comes together when at the end of the story Boo Radley comes out and meets them. This book is also about a moral courage जहाँ Atticus, even though he knew that he is not going to win the case, he fights for it. He defends the black man because he has that humanitarian principles. And हमें यही courage Scout and Jeremy Finch में देखने मिलता है as Atticus gives them such advices. Overall, I love this book. Initially, जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया, I was skeptical about it because by the title To Kill a Mockingbird, I was like, I don't know how the book will be, but as I read along, it proves to be such a great book. It has that moral message, plus it actually tells you about how the real world works. So this book is a big yes, and you should definitely read it. and let me know if you guys have read this book and what is your takeaway from this book. So that's all for today, and thank you.